Welcome aboard this 2001 Carver 506 Motor Yacht, Footloose, offered by Dunbar Yachts. At 51 feet 7 inches with 3 cabins, 3 heads, and twin 450 horsepower Cummins diesel engines, this yacht is built for both luxury and functionality. Highlights include a stunning master cabin, a washer and dryer, and spacious entertaining areas. Whether you're planning your great loop, adventure, a Bahamas trip, or intercoastal cruising, Footloose has you covered. Let's dive into the details, starting on the aft platform, where the dinghy that includes a 30 horsepower engine is included along with the davits. The enclosed cockpit is perfect for entertaining and featuring extensive seating, side doors that open to the outside, and retractable windows. A wet bar, television, it's a perfect space for entertaining and comfort year-round. Whether you're enjoying a breeze through the side doors or staying cozy in the cold, this area is designed for relaxation, comfort, and convenience. Moving forward, the enclosed helm provides a 360-degree view and air-conditioned comfort. The helm features an extensive electronics package, including a 12-inch Raymarine hybrid touch chart plotter, radar, GPS, and more. Check out the full listing on Dunbar Yachts website or contact us for more details. Descending into the main salon, you'll find a plush carpeted lounge with seating for 4 or 5, 2 reclining chairs, and a sofa centered around a beautifully designed coffee table. The entertainment system includes TV, DVD player, and surround sound. Adjacent to the salon, the dining area features a varnished wooden table for 4 positioned under bespoke lighting. To starboard, the galley offers all the essentials of a home kitchen, including a full-size refrigerator and a freezer, a 3-burner stove, separate oven, and ample storage and counter space. There are 3 cabins and 3 heads on the Carver 506. Heading aft from the salon, down the stairway is the master cabin. This is the epitome of luxury. You have a lot of headroom, there's plenty of space, you have the television, storage all around the edge. It's a raised queen bed with dual nightstands, and it has its own climate control. The head is private. In the center, you have the sink and a mirror. Aft, you have the enclosed shower with its own bathtub, no less, and forward, you have the toilet with a vacuum flush, each separate with a separate door. The second cabin is forward of the galley. In the bow is the VIP cabin. With the queen bed, there's a television. The raised bed has storage underneath, plenty of light, and plenty of storage along the sides. And it has its own head with a separate shower. Finally, the third guest cabin offers private accommodations in a double bed, but importantly, has the washer and dryer inboard, as well as the third head. In the salon, the stairway is lifted to reveal the hatch to the clean and spacious engine room. This houses twin 450 horsepower Cummins engines with about 2,900 hours and a 20 kilowatt Kohler generator, as well as a full electronic system. It's spacious and well laid out and accessible. Footloose cruises at 22 miles an hour and features a fuel capacity of 510 gallons. Water tanks for 158 gallons, and a 95-gallon Blackwater tank. This well-maintained motor yacht is offered for $299,000. Experience the Dunbar difference by scheduling your tour today. Contact Dunbar Yachts via the link above or by phone at 912-638-8573 or email at sales@dunbaryachts.com. Don't wait. Your next adventure begins aboard this pre-loved Carver 506.